In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to freeze a frame in your video using After Effects. It's a simple and effective way to highlight a moment or create a dramatic pause in your footage. First, make sure you have After Effects open with the video clip you want to work with already in your timeline. Now, let's find the exact moment in your video where you want to create the freeze frame. Move your playhead to that point in the timeline. Once you've selected the frame you want to freeze, you'll need to split your video layer at that point. To do this, make sure the video layer is selected, then press Ctrl+Shift+D on your keyboard. This will cut the video into two separate layers at the playhead's position. Now that we've made the cut, focus on the second layer, which starts at the point where you want the freeze frame. Right-click on this layer, hover over the Time option in the drop-down menu, and then select Freeze Frame. You should now see a small square icon on this layer, indicating that the frame has been frozen. If you play your video back from the start, you'll notice that the footage will play normally until it reaches the point where you added the freeze frame. At that moment, the video will freeze and hold that frame for as long as this second layer lasts. And that's it. You've successfully created a freeze frame effect in After Effects. It's a quick and easy way to pause your video on a specific moment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.